Environment, animals and birds. There are different kinds of animals and birds. Some animals are wild animals. They like to live in the jungle. It is not safe to keep them at home. Tiger, lion, elephant, fox, these are the wild animals, and they love to live in the jungle. Some animals are domestic animals, and it is safe to keep them near our home. They help us in many ways. Cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk. Sheep gives us wool. Horses, camels, and bullocks draw our carts and carriages. Donkeys, horses, and camels carry loads for us. The horse and camel also give us joy rides. The dog guards our home. Some animals are called reptiles. They have a rough skin, and most of them live on land. Some of them, like the crocodile and turtle, live on land and in water. Birds have 2 wings and 2 legs. They have feathers on their body to keep them warm. They eat with their beak and fly with their wings. Birds, like the hen, give us eggs, which we can eat. Water animals live in water. The fish can swim in water. Fishes like the shark and the whale are very big. The octopus is a water animal with 8 arms. The seahorse is a fish. Its head looks like a horse. There are many insects around us. Most of them have 6 legs. Housefly, bee, mosquito, cockroach, ant, butterfly. Insects have thin wings. Some of them can fly, and others move on land or swim in water. Flies and mosquitoes spread diseases. Remember this. Do you know that the ostrich is a huge bird which does not fly? And do you know that some insects can walk on a water surface without drowning?
चित्र पहिलं. सांगा बरं, कावळा माठात काय पाहतोय? कावळा माठात पाणी आहे का ते पाहतोय. चित्र दुसरं. कावळा काय पाहतोय? कावळ्याच्या डोक्यावर दिव्याचा प्रकाश का दाखवलाय? मुलाला नारळ पाणी नळीनं पिताना पाहून कावळ्याला एक कल्पना सुचली. चित्र तिसरं. कावळ्यानं नळी चोचीत उचलून का आणली? मुलासारखं नळीनं पाणी पिण्यासाठी कावळ्यानं नळी चोचीत उचलून आणली. चित्र चौथं. कावळा काय करतोय? कावळा नळीनं माठातलं पाणी पितोय. आता आपण यावरून एक गोष्ट तयार करूया. एक होता कावळा. त्याला लागली होती तहान. इकडे तिकडे बघत असताना त्याला एक माठ दिसला. तो त्या माठावर येऊन बसला. माठात पाणी कमी होतं. त्याची चोच पाण्यापर्यंत काही पोहोचत नव्हती. कावळा तिथून उडाला. इकडे तिकडे बघत असताना त्याला एक नारळ पाणी पिणारा मुलगा दिसला. तो नळीनं नारळ पाणी पित होता. कावळ्याला ते पाहून एक युक्ती सुचली. त्यानं एक नळी उचलून आणली आणि तो माठाच्या काठावर बसला. त्यानं चोचीमध्ये नळी धरली आणि चोचीनं पाणी ओढलं. त्याची तहान भागली. कावळा, नळी, माठ, शहाळे, मुलगा.
Children, are you ready to move forward? Today we'll be introducing 3 and 4 to you. What do you see in the picture? You can see that there are 3 children. There are 3 cows. What else? You can see that there is a well in the background, and near the well there are 3 earthen pots which you fill. 3 earthen pots used for filling water. Anything else? You can also see some potted plants. How many potted plants can you see? There are 4 potted plants. And anything else? You see a hen, and she has 4 little chicks with her. Three leaflets on this twig and wheels on the rickshaw 3. 4 corners has the pillow and 4 legs the cow. Picture, you can see some objects. You need to count the objects and look at the number. 3 sparrows, 3 houses, 3 bats, 3 dots, 3 cars, and lastly, 1 hand with 3 fingers pointed upwards. You also have some more objects in the next picture. How many objects can you see? Let us start with the combs. There are 4 combs. Then there are 4 purses, followed by 4 sweets, and then 4 dots, and 4 flowers, and lastly you can see 1 hand with 4 fingers pointed upwards. Now you need to count the objects and put a circle around the correct number. In the first picture, you can see the numbers 3 and 4 on the left side. What do you see on the right side? There are some lollipops. Who likes lollipops here? So how many lollipops can you see? Correct. There are 3 lollipops. Therefore, you need to put a circle around the number 3. In the next picture, you can see the numbers written on the left side, which are 4 and 3. On the right side, you can see some crayons. How many crayons can you see? Correct. There are 3 crayons. Therefore, you need to circle the number
3. In the third picture, again you have the numbers 4 and 3 on the left side. And what do you see on the right side? You can see some apples. Count the apples. How many apples can you see? There are 4 apples. So which number do you need to circle on the left side? The number 3 or the number 4? Correct. You need to circle the number 4.